If you want to see the instant difference between a team that liked and enjoyed working with a rider and ones that is happy to see them gone, the difference between KTM and Kawasaki is pretty stark. Obviously, both riders, Tom Vialle and Jorge Prado, have left the teams they've been with for the last season, or plus in Tom Vialle's case. But in his case, it's a little more positive. From the Red Bull Factory Racing press release saying, quote, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing extends its thanks to Tom Vialle following an illustrious 7 years together across both Europe and the United States, achieving 2 MX2 World Championships and a pair of 250E Supercross Championships. Vialle joined the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team ahead of the 2019 FIM Motocross World Championship season in the MX2 category, finishing fourth in his debut campaign before capturing his first MX2 championship in 2020. Now, this is a long one, so I'm not going to read it all, but the first line, thanks him for his illustrious time. That is a team that enjoyed working with him, and obviously winning helps in that fact. If you're a rider who has brought championships to a team, they're obviously going to like having you there because proving the bike is competitive. It's proving that their product is good, which in the long run sells bikes, and it's all a product business anyways. But for them to come out and thank him for his time, even though he's moving over back now from Europe to the US, back over to Europe to race the MXGP class with Honda. So for him, a good career progression up to the 450 class. I think on a multi-year 450 deal, like job security, obviously one of the best teams in the world. Can't really be bad for him. Now, in the stark contrast to this, if you looked at the Race Kawasaki Instagram, their goodbye to Jorge Prado is a picture of his back and basically just saying, we've reached an agreement. He's out as of the 16th of October, and we wish him luck in his future endeavors. Obviously, there's a time difference between the two. Tom Vialle being with them for 7 years and winning 4 championships for KTM as a whole, not exactly for just American or whatever, but obviously that's a determining factor. Winning is going to be good. You never want to be a team and see your championship winning riders go, because you just have to find somebody else to fill that seat and hopefully recreate it. But it's a pretty stark difference. I mean, Jorge Prado in his own right is an MXGP world champion, and you look at Kawasaki basically just saying, here's the news, he's out as the 16th, goodbye, basically. Whereas KTM, they don't have to do this. As a company, as a team, it's good PR. It makes them look acceptable, makes them look good. I don't know how you want to word it. But to come out and have a pretty long press release, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 paragraphs worth of going over his achievements and everything else. At the very end of it too, the entire Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team thanks Tom for his dedication and success and wishes him all the best in his future endeavors. The wording there is very different compared to the Kawasaki. Just, hey, we wishes the best for Jorge in his future endeavors. No thanks, no nothing. Just, it is what it is. But it is a sad thing. If you're KTM, to see Tom Vialle leave, obviously you would have liked to see him stay, move up to the 450, but who knows if that would have worked or where that would have worked with money and whatnot. But it's just a funny, pretty stark difference between, you can tell, a team that liked working with somebody and a team that didn't. But I don't know. So I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for next season? Are you excited for all the silly season news stuff coming out? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.